come a long way, baby. You know I
We dated, went on some dates, you know, go to the movies and go out to dinner and stuff like that, and it just felt so natural.
It's one of those things that being with her felt right, you know.
It was my birthday. We went out for my birthday, and I just knew it then. It was only a few months later, and I just knew he was my forever.
I saw how she was, who she was, how she worked. He had that smile on top of everything. Oh, perfect. Absolutely perfect.
Are we ready?
We are gathered here today to witness and to celebrate the marriage of Ross and Krysten. Let us be reminded that marriage does not begin in ceremonies, but grows in the hearts of two people.
They were renting a place up in Killington, and I wanted to go up. I didn't want to drive alone.
You got to hook me up with Krysten. Put in a good
They knew
word.
Ross was interested in me. Oh, just drive up with Ross, it'll be fine. I'm like, are you sure? It's a 4-hour drive. I don't even know this kid.
So that weekend I found out that she was driving up alone.
We drove up together, stopped at the New Hampshire State Package Store, and
I felt, and I think she would agree, we kind of hit it off on the right
bottle of tequila. He knew I was the one.
The rest is history. Here we are.
Made out on the pickle barrel dance floor. And then from there, we never turned back.
Do you affirm the joining of your life to Krysten in marriage, friendship, and love, offering your vow to comfort her, honor and help her, to share sadness and joy with her, and to love her all of your days?
I do.
Krysten, do you affirm the joining of your life to Ross in marriage, friendship, and love, offering your vow to comfort him, honor and help him, to share sadness and joy with him, and to love him all of your days?
I do.
I was kind of winging it. I knew the area I wanted to do it. Again, in New Hampshire.
Portsmouth, New Hampshire. Prescott Park.
Portsmouth, New Hampshire. There was this park, Prescott Park, that I knew she was always in love with.
Coming up to North Conway for the weekend, but he said, let's stop in Portsmouth. We love Portsmouth. So we're like, all right, it's halfway. We'll spend a night,
I purposely freaked her out a few times, and when she thought that this is going to be the weekend, I kind of had it planned. She's just finding this out now.
We were stopped, got some appetizers, some drinks, and he goes, let's walk through Prescott Park. I'm like, all right, let's stop here and have a drink. He's like, no, let's go for a walk. And I'm like, okay, we'll go for a walk.
My heart was racing. Take a few pictures of you. With the water, look out in the water.
Taking pictures from the back, and he was doing like a panoramic, so I thought he was like taking a picture of me, so there I am like trying to pose cute from the back.
I had the ring in my pocket, which I thought I was going to lose.
And he said, Krysten, and I turn around and he was down on one knee. We were like out on like a pier, like a dock, overlooking like the water and stuff like that, and caught me off guard completely.
I was definitely freaking out, and she's till this day, she says, it was the easiest question you ever had to ask.
I didn't know it was gonna happen. He had it for weeks before, waiting for like the right time. I had no idea. Now, looking back, I'm like, he was so anxious. He was so nervous.
With this ring, I pledge to you my faith and love.
With this ring, I pledge to you my faith and love. My faith and
and
love.
join my life to yours from this day forward.
And join my life to yours
from this day forward.
From this day forward.
I now pronounce you husband and wife. May your hands be forever clasped in friendship and your hearts joined forever in love. Ross, you may kiss your bride. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Mr. and Mrs. Oborski.
He's the most positive person. It could be the worst time, going through the roughest patch, and he just always has a positive outlook.
That smile just, it's like a dart in the heart, you know, it's just, I see that smile, I know everything's all right, it's good.
right, guys, give it up for the new Mr. and Mrs. Oborski.